Next tip for you is kind of more on that strengthening type side. So this one's focusing on essentially here to here. If I could draw a diagonal line between those two parts, two different variations of this one. So grab your band. What we'll do, start kind of like shoulder width apart with this one. And what we're focusing on here is this front pec muscle. So what we're going to do, pull apart and count your reps at a chest tap, and in a slow 3-second or so return back to normal. And you'll kind of feel that light up across the front chest area. Next one, what we're going to do, focus on that lower portion. So we're going to take the band from here to here. So making sure it's kind of wrapped around the outside of the index finger. And then we're going to be right at our sides, opening up this way, really focusing on that kind of lower trap contraction and counting our reps as belly taps. So you got belly taps for the lowers, chest taps for the uppers. Try about 10, 15 of each of these. And you'll kind of get a reset along this whole line here to here.